everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we have the third and the final coin in the Pirate Queen series. It is the Mary Read coin. Let's get into it. This is a wonderful series, hold on, struck by the Royal Australian Mint, and it's issued by the Solomon Islands. Fantastic. I have enjoyed this whole series, and I believe we've done several unboxings on this series. Wonderfully produced from the Royal Australian Mint, and the quality is just fantastic. So this particular coin is number 20. You can see there, this is our certificate of authenticity. It's got a value of $100. It's 1 ounce gold, and it's that mintage that's also very appealing. 100 pieces. That is a very attractive mintage indeed. Just move that away and let's get into it. Oh. And the third does not disappoint. Look at the detail on that coin. That is just spectacular. So as I said before, we've got 1 ounce gold there. Just lovely. The quality of these designs and the coin production is really a high standard. Now, I did mention this is the third in the series. Number 1, you may know, was Anne Bonny. Number 2 was Xing Shi. And of course, this is the third and final Mary Read of the Pirate Queen series. All of the series has been done for Solomon Islands. This one here is 2022. And all of the gold ones have a value of $100. Just wonderful. Now I should mention this coin also comes in silver. So let's just have a quick look at it here. Also a lovely product. And what's really cool about the silver and the gold in this series is that they both have different motifs. And this is throughout the series. So you've got a total of 6 different designs within the gold and silver, which is really cool. Both capturing the essence, in this case, of Mary Read. And just lovely when you see them side by side. The only difference here, of course, apart from the motives, is the value. So the silver has a value of $2 and the gold of $100. And as I said before, both for Solomon Islands. But if you're interested in getting 1 or 2 of these in your collection, check out www.emk.com.